Good morning, kids. Welcome to your English class. How are you all? Good. Shall we start with today's English class then? So, kids, in last class, we have finished the exercise A, B, and C, which are related to your chapter number 4, that is the ant and the dove. So, this is nothing but the question and answers which are from your same lesson. Now we will move on to the grammar exercises which are given below your chapter. So the first exercise related to grammar is, we are on the page number 40, kids. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun. So we have to fill up the blank spaces in all these sentences with the correct pronoun. So you all must be knowing what is mean by pronoun. The pronoun is the word which comes instead of the noun. जो भी word noun के बदले हम यूज़ करते हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? pronoun. जैसे pronoun किसी भी नाम के बदले आने वाले शब्द को हम बोलते हैं pronoun. Any word which replaces your noun, that word is called as the pronoun. So we will start first. Sheena is on her way to school. Dash dash uses the bus to reach the school. So here they are talking about the girl Sheena. Sheena is one girl. So here the noun is Sheena. This is the proper noun, and in the next sentence we have to replace the noun Sheena with the correct pronoun. So what pronoun we will use for the Sheena? So Sheena is the girl, so we have to replace the noun Sheena by the pronoun she. So you all must be knowing she comes for the any girl or the female. She is the pronoun which is used for any girl or female person. Now next, question number 2. Michael will not be playing today. Dash dash isn't well. So in this sentence, the person is Michael. Michael is the proper noun which is used for the boy. So Michael will not be playing today, and in next sentence we have to fill up this blank space with the correct pronoun which we can use instead of this word Michael. So Michael is the boy, and what pronoun we use for the boy or a man? Yes. So we replace the noun which is used for the man or a boy by the pronoun he. He is the pronoun which is used for the male person. So he isn't well. Now third one, Neeta and Mona are friends. So there are two girls, Neeta and Mona. So this is not the singular, this is the plural, because they are talking about the two persons. One is Neeta and the other one is Mona. Dash dash are classmates. So they are talking about Neeta and Mona, and in next sentence we have to fill up this blank space with the correct pronoun. So they are talking about not a single person, they are talking about the two people. That is why we can't use he, she or it. We have to use the plural pronoun, and that is they. अगर एक से ज़्यादा व्यक्ति है तो हमें उधर पे उसके लिए अलग सा प्रोनाउन यूज़ करना होता है, क्योंकि ये एक व्यक्ति के बारे में बात नहीं हो रही, ये दो व्यक्तियों के बारे में बात हो रही है. दैट इज़ वाई वी विल यूज़ द प्रोनाउन दे. दे आर क्लासमेट्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट, आई हैव अ बिग बलून. सो दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द बलून over here. Dash dash is red in color. So balloon is not a person. Yes, it's not a person, it's a thing. So we replace the noun used for the thing by it. So whenever there is a noun which is for the thing or name of a thing can be replaced by the pronoun that is it. So kids, in this sentence, in the first sentence, I have a big balloon. So balloon is the name of a thing. It's the noun which we are using for the thing, and in the next sentence we have to replace the balloon by its pronoun. So balloon is not the name of the person, that's why we can't use he she, है ना. So we have to use the pronoun that we are going to use for the thing, and the pronoun which is used for the things is it. It is red in color. वो बलून कौन से रंग का है? लाल रंग का है. That is why it is red in color. Now the next line, Nitin and I stay close by. So they are talking about Nitin and I. So they are talking about two person. One is Nitin and one is I. Must be some person. Nitin and I stay close by. Dash dash are neighbors. So basically I is the first person. I means somebody is talking about himself. So कोई अपने खुद के बारे में बात कर रहा है और एक व्यक्ति है उसमें इन्वॉल्व जो है नितिन. सो दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टू पर्सन. वन इज नितिन एंड वन इज द पर्सन हिमसेल्फ, है ना. सो दैट इज वाई द प्रोनाउन विच गोइंग टू रिप्लेस नितिन एंड आई विल बी we. Whenever we are talking about ourselves, that time we have to use the pronoun I or we. But for single person we use the pronoun I, and for the many persons, like over here they are talking about two persons, that's why we have to use the plural pronoun for the first person, that is we. We are neighbors. हम neighbors हैं. We means the Nitin and the person who is talking about himself. Now next, is that Tina's dog? They are talking about the Tina. Dash dash has left it here. So they are talking about Tina and sorry kids. Is that Tina's bag? Dash dash has left dash dash here. So we have to fill up the two pronouns over here. First they are talking about Tina and Tina's bag. So who left that bag? Obviously Tina has left the bag over there. So pronoun which we are going to use instead of the name Tina will be she, because Tina is the name for the girl. So girl or female, whenever there is a girl or a female, we have to use the pronoun she. She has left. What she has left? She has left the bag. Bag is not the person, bag is the thing. That is why we can't use he or she pronoun for the bag. For the thing we have to use the pronoun it. She has left it here. Now next, Mona and I are neighbors. So there are two person in this sentence. One is the Mona and one is the I. I means somebody who is talking about herself or himself. It can be the girl or the boy. So Mona and I are neighbors. यानी मतलब ये है कि मोना और मैं neighbors है, पड़ोसी हैं. And dash dash like to play together. तो उनको क्या है कि मोना और आई के बदले हमें एक प्रोनाउन यूज़ करना है जिसमें ये दोनों के बारे में बात हो रही है, मोना और आई के बारे में. तो मोना एंड आई आर दी फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल. फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल आ रहा है. प्लूरल मीन्स इसमें सिर्फ एक व्यक्ति के बारे में बात नहीं हो रही, इसमें एक से ज़्यादा मतलब दो व्यक्तियों के बारे में बात हो रही है. दैट इज़ वाई वी कांट यूज़ द प्रोनाउन आई ओवर हियर. वी हैव टू यूज़ द फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल प्रोनाउन, दैट इज़ वी. वी लाइक टू प्ले टुगेदर. हमें साथ में खेलना अच्छा लगता है. नाउ द लास्ट सेंटेंस, डैश डैश सिस्टर एंड डैश डैश शेयर ऑल आवर टॉयज़. सो यहाँ पे हमें बताना है कि प्रोनाउन क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो दो प्रोनाउन विच वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ फॉर दिस सेंटेंस इज माई सिस्टर एंड आई शेयर ऑल आवर टॉयज़. ओके, नाउ वी विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल रीड द क्वेश्चन. गिवन बिलो आर सम masculine and feminine gender words. Join the words in the two columns to form correct pairs. So kids, they have given the masculine names and in A column, and in B column we have to find the feminine names related to that. Okay, so boy means the masculine or the male, है ना. And what will be the feminine gender words used for the boy instead of the boy? Feminine gender words. The feminine gender words is girl. Now the next, prince is the male or masculine gender word, and the feminine gender word will be princess. Now next, lion, the male lion is called lion, that is the masculine gender word, and the female gender word will be lioness. Husband is the male or masculine gender word, and the female gender word will be wife. Peacock, peahen. Gentleman, lady. Bull, cow. Nephew, niece. Actor, actresses. Actor means the person who acts, and the actresses means the actor means the male actor, and the actresses means the female actress, the feminine gender word. So what will be the feminine gender word? Madam. Okay, so in this way we have completed this exercise also.